God of Nagaland, I kneel before you tonight as my people slumber on. God of our ancestors, God of Israel, mercy, oh mercy, save us from this trial. Forgiveness is all I earn, godliness they will not learn, heading for the darkness to the point of no return. Hailing the foolish captain traded in election. Regret, and I regret, ashamed for the action. Give me a heart to love, the one that truly gives, to feed the hungry and cure the one in pain. For I'm just human to lose what I gain. Zacchaeus, Zacchaeus, what made you forgiven? 60 years alive so far, yet lived a life of war. The blood of my people, heaven knows the scar. God of our ancestors, God of Israel, mercy, oh mercy, save us from this trial. Mercy, oh mercy, save us from this trial.